What up guys? So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to correctly perform a diamond push-up, or it's also called a close grip push-up, but most popularly it's called diamond push-up. So let's start. Now depending on where your hands are placed in a push-up, those muscles are going to be targeted. So a regular push-up is this, and this is a diamond push-up. And if you go wider than a regular push-up, it's going to focus more on the chest, and the diamond push-up, which is close grip, focuses more on the tricep, and the chest is a secondary movement. So the main one is the tricep. So you can also call these tricep push-ups, because they primarily target the triceps. Now, everything else is basically the same as in the push-up. Straight back, straight line. Don't have your glutes in the air. Don't have your back arched. Have your core and abs tight, and just go down until your chest slightly touches where the floor is. So you see, basically it touches where the floor is. Go all the way up, and at the top of the movement, really extend and squeeze the triceps. Really feel that muscle tension in the tricep muscles, because it's a primarily tricep exercise. So I'm gonna show you from another angle, from the side. So just like with a push-up, straight, my torso is straight, no arch, glutes are in the right position, going down, almost touching my chest with the floor, and then exploding back up. So that's the correct way to perform this exercise. Like this, close grip, and really when you're exploding up, really focusing on the triceps, really going full range of motion all the way down and exploding up, then squeezing the triceps, and just a second pause at the top of the movement. That's how you should do it correctly. Be really explosive with this one. Go down slowly, tension, then exploding up and squeezing the tricep. Go down slowly and explode up, really feeling how the triceps move. You really got to focus on that extension, because the triceps, they are responsible for extending your arms, So just like this, for example, right? You can see the tricep flexing. This is the way it should be done. Now, diamond push-ups, they are a great variation of the regular push-up. I use them a lot in my workout routine for the triceps. Sometimes, mostly I do dips, but sometimes I switch it up. I do diamond push-ups, which are great at developing the whole 3 heads of the tricep. So I'm gonna show you another set. Like we said at the beginning, straight line, straight torso, starting position just like the push-up, but move your hands closer, almost touching. You don't have to touch your fingers together, just close that you're almost touching. The position still has to be somewhat comfortable. Then going down, almost touching the floor, exploding back up. That's how you correctly perform a diamond push-up or a close grip push-up. Now, this is another clip of me doing a set of diamond push-ups. You can watch this in peace. You see, really dial in the form. That's why I have these videos in slow motion. You can really look at it and really focus on performing it correctly. So that was basically it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, leave a comment about your favorite tricep exercises, and definitely subscribe, guys, because it helps me out a lot.